Cheese! Cheese! What do you think about when you say cheese?
Huh?
How about a future in cream cheese manufacturing? A future in cream cheese manufacturing is so cool.
We are P-Valley!
The Pequea video audio lighting experts.
We went to Pequea Cheese in New Highland. Pequea is a global company and they manufacture many cheese products.
Here are just some of the cool jobs in cream cheese manufacturing.
Cheese. Basically assist the floor with some materials to getting a hold of maintenance, just trying to help the floor continue to run on a consistent basis.
Cheese.
We pick up samples from the lines and we ensure that they have the right moisture, salt, ingredients, taste, texture. Also we check for pathogens. We don't want people to get sick.
I just make sure that everything's running on time, that we have mix, that we pasteurize, that our milk trucks and cream trucks are on time. And basically generally walk around the floor and make sure everybody's good. Making cream cheese is way more complicated than you would imagine.
Here in New Holland, their specialty is cream cheese manufacturing. It all starts with a cow.
Even the steps of manufacturing cream cheese are cool.
The first part of the cream cheese making process, we have our tanker trucks coming in that deliver our milk and cream on the daily. We receive roughly about 7 trucks per day, roughly about 40 to 50,000 pounds of milk and cream.
The milk is put into setting tanks and the culture is added for 12 hours until it becomes semi-solid.
Then the solution goes in HTST, high temperature, short time, to kill off bad bacteria.
Next, the mixture enters the separation and blending phase, where the water is separated from the actual curd. While spinning at a rapid rate, salt and gum are added for flavor.
When special flavors are needed, then
the cheese gets dumped and pumped into these large kettles, and this is where we also add ingredients to the process.
Now, the cream cheese is ready for filling and packaging.
Cheese manufacturing is cool.
Thank you to all the sponsors who made our video possible.